the displacement current. In the displacement current, in order to make the Ampere's law using in time varying field conditions, Maxwell suggests the following the Gauss law relation. We know from Gauss law that is del dot vector D is equal to rho V. So differentiating with respect to time, we have above relation, it becomes del dot divided by del T. So above equation, differentiate with respect to time on both sides, del by del T, del rho V by del T. Then simplifying the equation, del dot del vector D by del T is equal to del rho V by del T. We know from the equation of continuity already we discussed in the previous video, del dot vector J is equal to minus del rho V by del T. The this is called equation 1. Equation 1 becomes, above equation becomes equation del dot vector J is equal to minus del vector D by del T. So next is minus that this term is take it as in the left side, del into vector J plus del vector D by del T is equal to 0. It is clear, shows that for the time varying case, it is not del dot vector J is equal to 0, but the equation is del dot vector J plus del vector D by del T is equal to 0 must be considered as vector J must be replaced by the instead of vector J plus del vector D by del T. Instead of this, there is to be take del dot vector J is equal to 0. Then consider Ampere circuit law in point form becomes, that is this equation. It is Ampere circuit law equation for a time varying field condition. This equation is addressed as the Maxwell Ampere's law. Okay, so now it's defined as the quantity del vector D by del T as the dimension of vector J, the current density, and was named by Maxwell displacement current density. Okay, so next is expression for displacement current. Consider a parallel plate capacitor connected. Now this is parallel plate capacitor. This parallel plate is capacitor connected to a AC source. The area of each of the plate will be A, right? The area of the plate will be A. So consider conduction current V is equal to V naught e power j omega t. This is voltage is supplied to the parallel plate capacitor, and also we have considered D is equal to epsilon capital E. This is from dielectric constant chapter. So directly this is write it here. Then keep in your mind, for a parallel plate capacitor, the electric field which is equal to V by D, where V is the potential, D is the thickness of the parallel plate capacitor. D is equal to, instead of E, so substitute here epsilon V by D, then take simplification. Instead of V, this is substitute here, it comes the displacement current density is given by del D by del T. If ID is the displacement current, that is del D by del T is equal to ID by A. ID is equal to del D by del T into A is equal to del by del T epsilon. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ instead of D substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is okay, instead of this substitute here epsilon D V naught e power j, then ID is equal to j omega epsilon A by D V naught V power j omega t. This displacement current is the correction factor in Maxwell equation that appears in time varying condition but does not describe any movement of charge through it has an associated magnetic field.